Many a times, bitter experiences of our life offer the most valuable lessons. On the same lines, bitter vegetables and herbs confer us immense positive value to our health, but we often tend to avoid these vegetables and herbs. Do you know that India is the diabetic capital of the world? It is alarming to note that by 2025, the Indian diabetic population is expected to rise to a figure of 70 million. Do you want to be part of this problem? If you would like to be a solution, stay tuned till the null point at the end of the episode. Namaskaram, I am Sujata, an educator in biology and environmental science, a health and wellness consultant and your host on Manchan Mal. Today, we are going to be looking at a wonder bitter vegetable which has been used in traditional and alternative medicine for the treatment of diabetes. You may have guessed it right. It is the bitter gourd, also known as bitter melon. In Tamil and Malayalam, it is called Pavakkai, but Palakkad Ayers call it Parikkai. In Hindi, it is called Karela, and in Marathi, it is called Karla. Botanically, it belongs to the Cucurbitaceae family and is a climber. Scientific name of bitter gourd is Momordica carentia. Bitter gourd is a powerful nutrient-dense plant composed of a complex array of beneficial compounds. These include bioactive chemicals, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants which all contribute to its remarkable versatility in treating a wide range of illnesses. It has high amounts of vitamin A, C and E and also vitamins B1, B2, B3, B9. It is also rich in minerals including potassium, calcium, zinc, magnesium, phosphorus and iron and is a very good source of dietary fiber. Bitter gourd is traditionally known for its medicinal properties ranging from being anti-diabetic, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, antiviral and even has cholesterol lowering effects. Many clinical studies show that the major compounds responsible for lowering blood sugar include carnitine, polypeptide P and vicine. The medicinal value of bitter gourd has been attributed to its high antioxidant content. This includes phenols, flavonoids, isoflavones, terpenes, anthraquinones and glucosinolates. And by the way, all of these confer the familiar bitter taste of this gourd. And as if that is not enough, bitter gourd can also help treat intestinal worms. So, what are we going to be making today? Bitter gourd juice, but it makes our life sweeter. So, here are the ingredients to prepare our bitter gourd juice. I have taken a medium-sized bitter gourd, half a lemon, pepper and salt. So, first wash the bitter gourd and preferably use organic. So, here let me just cut the edges. And we will scoop the seeds out. I generally do it with my hands. So here let's just chop it into small pieces. So let's add the chopped bitter gourd pieces into the mixie jar. Add a little water initially. Now let's blend this. Needs to be uniformly blended. We'll add a little more water. So here just blend uniformly. So here let me pour the ground bitter gourd. Let's add a little bit more water. Give it a mix. I am purposefully not filtering it as we will lose out on the valuable fiber. So let's squeeze half a lemon into this bitter gourd juice. Adding a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper. Give it a mix. So here our fresh, refreshing bitter gourd juice is ready to be poured. So let's pour our bitter gourd juice. It's time to sip my bitter gourd juice. It is bitter, but that lemon added makes all the difference. You can definitely have it, and once you get used to it, it's just a matter of practice. Not so bad, huh? A word of caution. If you are having low blood sugar, then you should definitely consult your doctor before having the bitter gourd juice. For diabetics, it is extremely useful if they can make it as part of their regular diet, at least have it thrice a week. For non-diabetics, at least have it once a week so that you can keep diabetes at bay. Besides bitter gourd juice, there are umpteen recipes possible with bitter gourd. One important thing that I would like to mention is many people apply salt to the bitter gourd and take out the water and discard it, and you're losing out on the most active principle that is present in bitter gourd. We can make stir-fry vegetable or gravy sabji or stuffed karela. In the Palakkad Iyer cuisine, one of the most favorite recipes is Parikkay Pitlai. I will be uploading the recipe soon. So, do wholeheartedly embrace bitter gourd. The bitterness on the tongue today will give you unimaginable sweetness to your health tomorrow. Let's see how bitter gourd helps in the management of diabetes in the Mull Point, coming up now. There is extensive research done on the hypoglycemic effects of bitter gourd on diabetic patients, and the link of these research papers I have given in the description box below. In the long run, diabetes is known to cause a whole set of complications like retinopathy, neuropathy and nephropathy, that is damage to the eyes, nerves and kidneys. Can these complications be avoided with the intelligent use of bitter gourd? The summary of the research paper indicate the following. Number 1. The bitter gourd juice stimulates beta cells of pancreas to secrete more insulin. Number 2. It improves glucose utilization by cells. And number 3. It suppresses certain enzymes that produce glucose. As we have seen in the beginning, do you want to be part of the diabetic problem or use bitter gourd and be part of the solution? If you choose to be a solution to this diabetic problem, share this video as widely as you can. Do share your bitter gourd recipes in the comment section below. Hey, have you subscribed to Munch and Mull? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.